Hello everyone, this is an updated honest review of the EUHOMY ice maker. So I've had this for about 4 years, absolutely love it, but I want to show you, this right here is an Arctic 52 quart. All this ice came within just a few hours, very, very quick to fill this cooler. Now I got this because I have 2 young children who love to use my ice maker on the refrigerator, and ice would just spill everywhere, quite annoying. So we said, hey, let's upgrade, let's get a commercial ice maker, just put the ice in the Arctic, lock it, and it's just the best thing ever for us. I've had this for years. It works great, absolutely reliable, so easy to use, so easy to clean, and an absolute lifesaver. Produces ice so fast and such good quality. So here's exactly what the ice looks like. Very, very good, very cold, obviously. Overall, very, very impressed with this product. As you can see here, we actually have this in our utility room. This is the area where our refrigerator would go if we had a second refrigerator. Instead, we just have this ice maker and coolers, and this is a perfect setup for my family. Now, what I like about this, keep in mind it does require electricity to function. It's very simple to use. You turn it on and off right here. So when you turn it on, let me do it real quick. Turn it on. You can see this blinking right here, so I'm going to press on. It's going to get it started. You're going to hear it kick in, and then you can adjust your settings right here for basically how much time you want between ice settings in the production of ice. Now you can make up to 100 pounds of ice within a 24-hour period, and then within this actual unit, this can store up to 33 pounds of ice. Now I just transferred most of the ice that was previously in here. Here is some, as you can see, that's still in here. Now keep in mind, this is not a refrigerated ice maker. So if you make ice and you don't empty it out, it will begin to melt. As you can see, there is some water on the bottom. Now when it is producing ice, basically these honeycombs, for the lack of a better word, will start to fill the water. That water will freeze, and then as it's frozen, the ice will dump out and start to fill this cavity right here. This hole right here is the drain. On the back side of this unit is just a small little rubber plug. Just pull it out and the water will drain out, and that's how you drain your ice maker. For me personally, if I know I'm not going to be using this for an extended period of time, for example, if I'm going on vacation, I like to drain it and then just keep this open so that it can get some airflow in here. It's just what I do, although not required. Obviously, this child lock is an addition we did for our family that is not included. Like I said, I've had this for years. I'm 100% happy. Fantastic ice, just pumps it out, fantastic. For me, for example, I'm going hunting tomorrow. I need ice for drinks with me and my friends. So just turn this on. A couple hours later, I've got so much ice in here. I'm done. I'll turn it off and I'll use it again next time I need it. But this is a fantastic product. It's actually very quiet considering for what it is. Just continues to put out ice. And if you ever have any problems, every random once in a while, maybe once every 6 months, I'll get an error. So what I will do is I'll just unplug it, just open it up. I'll give it like 20 minutes just to kind of reset, plug it back in, and then voila, I'm off and I'm going to the races again. 100% happy overall. Fantastic product. I'm going to continue to use this till it breaks, and if and when it breaks one day, I will just buy another one because it's proven itself time and time again and absolutely worth the investment.